Welcome back to another episode of Libertyland. I'm Marty.
I'm Zach.
I'm Gwen.
And today we're going to be making a Wisconsin classic beer cheese soup.
Let's get cracking.
First thing you need for beer cheese soup is fucking cheese. Today we're using two kinds. Pepper jack and sharp cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want, but these are the cheeses that I like, so we're doing it. My honest opinion about it is buy the best cheese you can buy in block form and then just shred it. Because if you just buy the store-bought shredded stuff, it's probably all powdery with preservatives and stuff, and it's gross, and you don't want that in your soup. Just gonna cut this block in half. I stuffed the thing full of cheese, but you get the point. Shred your own fucking cheese.
Technical difficulty.
Want to hear a really fucked up joke? What's Shaq's favorite cheese? Colby. Fuck, I fucked it up. It's Colby. Shaq's favorite cheese is Colby. Cut up bacon.
We can do it on Count Jankula. It's been through worse.
I'm
not letting you hold this.
Just trust me. I can fit. While this is a manly show, cross-contamination is not manly. Alright, we're gonna cook that bacon and we'll come back when it's done. Alright, so next we gotta make a roux. Roux is just fat and flour. Gwen is doing this step because I am god awful at making roux. I will burn the shit out of it. Thanks, Gwen.
Yep.
Alright, after you get your roux all cooked up, it's time to add your liquids. Start with the beer. That's probably good. Now make sure when you measure this, you measure with your heart. Next up, we'll have to stop. And lastly, your heavy whipping cream. Why heavy whipping cream? I don't know. That's just what you're supposed to use. Bring that to a boil. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget salt and pepper. Fucking soap. Alright, now we're ready for this mound of cheese. Except we're gonna put it in slowly. Because we're not heathens. Come on, oh, yeah. Contribute to the fire. We're not using the rest of it, sure. You know what a bread bowl is? Well, then you know what a bread boat is.
And now to try the beer cheese bread boat.
That dinky ass piece of bread. Fuck! I just lost some bread.
Oh goddamn!
Yeah, it's righteous.
There we go. Another successful backyard bushcraft cooking. Good job, Zach.
Good job, man.
Roll that outro.
Roll it.